This is a mini camera. And yes, it is an actual digicam. Ang cute, diba? Bukod sa pagiging cute niya, it actually take pretty decent photos and pwede ka rin mag-record ng video and audio. Kasama na rin sa box yung lanyard, keychain, Type-C charging cord, and Type-C transfer kit. Para pwede nyo na agad ilipat sa phone or tablets nyo yung mga photos and videos from the mini camera. Itong nakuha ko is with 16 gig na memory card, pero they have other variants din with larger memory cards. For a mini camera, marami siyang features like video mode, audio recording, pwede mo rin palitan yung color filters and preview your photos from the camera. Perfect gift to for your loved ones na mahilig mag-selfies and mag-document ng adventures nila. This camera right here, I bought this for my kid and he loves it. Get yours now before pa ma-sold out. Bye!